What is up, guys? If you're seeing this, go ahead, like, subscribe. You'll get notifications for this and other jobs as they progress. This is a 17-foot stonington skiff. Put a resurface a gel coat on this sides here. I'm just getting finished with this non-skid surface. Added a little bit of granule to the first coat before I did the green here. And went over with the green for the color, and also it'll make it a little less aggressive and seal the texture in. That way you're not getting little bits of granule coming off on the deck as it wears. Okay, so not looking half bad. Got this little wood thing. I didn't do that, but when I saw it for the owner. We got for non-skid. Nothing too fancy, you know what I mean? But this is basically a rough finished boat. You know, it's not polished and all that good stuff like the sides. You know, just brushed and rolled down. But I wanted to kind of modernize it a little bit with the what would you call that? The water edge or drain edge, like you'd see on a more modern boat. So this is still got to go on. This is kind of what it looks like without the coat, and I already did the edge. You can already see it's a little less aggressive. Like I said, this is more gritty. Once that dries, it will still have it, but won't be as aggressive. You'll be able to kneel on it, basically without it killing your knees, scraping your knees up. Smart color. And I got this one piece too that actually is, we're going to place the battery here. So we made a little pedestal for it to sit on so the water still goes through. Throwing in 4 of these caps, which is a little bit extra. Some extra heat with the stove and the lamps. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.